Hey guys, Coach Gabby here, and I'm here with Coach Justin. And today we have an awesome, effective chest workout for you. And we have different options. So you can do this without any weight, but with a little extra added challenge, you can use water bottles and then chug them afterwards for hydration, or dumbbells if you have them accessible to you. So first, we're gonna go through the demo, show you the moves, and then we're gonna do the workout together. So first, we have a double chest press. So with our arms out to the side at a 90-degree angle, we're gonna press in and then up. Back down and out. That is one full rep, all right? Next, after 20 seconds of double chest press, we're gonna do cuff rotators. So we're gonna go just down, like so. Making sure that your elbows are high, all right? Make sure they're, at 90 degrees, and then just go down, all right? So 20 seconds double chest press, 20 seconds cuff rotators. And then we have a wood chop, all right? So we just need one for these. So put down one of your weights, one of your water bottles, or nothing at all, and we're gonna use one. Two hands like this, and we're gonna start up here by your head, and then we're gonna come down to your thigh, like so, like you're chopping wood, all right? But we wanna use our entire body, engaging your core and your arms, your entire body, all right? That's the wood chop. Next, we have the horizontal press. So we're gonna stay with one weight, and we're gonna come to the center of the chest and just push out. And in. Out and in. All right, that's our horizontal press. Next, we have the standing chest fly. All right, we're gonna pick up our other weight. We're gonna have our arms here to the side, and we're just gonna lift up, like so.
Lift up, squeeze the chest.
Squeeze the chest, all right? Engage your arms, engage your core. Even though we're working out our chest and our arms, you always want to remember your posture, all right? You always want to remember to squeeze in your stomach, squeeze in your butt, and engage the entire body, all right? And then finishing, we're gonna finish on the floor with the chest press with weights, all right? So we're gonna go on the floor here, gently, slowly, at your own pace, lay back down. Arms to the side, again, the 90-degree angle, and they're gonna press up and down. Press up and down. And that is our chest press. Okay, so that's our demo. Now we're gonna do it all together. Ready?
Ready.
Ready. So let's do it. 20 seconds of double chest press and then 20 seconds cuff rotator. Let's go. Arms to the side and in. Up, down, out. Remember to engage your core, tuck in your butt, zip that rib cage, and engage the entire body. You're working out your chest and your arms here, but you also want to engage the entire body. Okay, almost done. We have 5 more. Out. In, up, down. Remember to breathe. Remember to center yourself and enjoy the exercise. All right, almost done. 2, last one. In, up, down, out. Staying here, you want to keep your arms up. This is how you move those arms, you work those arms, keeping them up and engaged. Cuff rotators, let's go, 20 seconds. And down. up, down. Remember to keep your elbows up, okay? If they're down here, they're not really gonna be, engaged. So you wanna keep them up at a 90-degree angle. Very good. Suck in that stomach. Squeeze those arms. When you go down, really squeeze those arms. Awesome. Down. How's that tummy? Suck it in. That's the hardest part, right? Is remembering to suck in your stomach. I know. You get so engaged in like the other parts of your body that you forget. So here's your reminder, suck in your stomach, tuck in that butt, and engage those arms. All right, almost done. Last one, and done. All right, so next we have the wood chop. Put one of your weights down, hold them like so, and we're gonna start up here and chop. Up and chop. And here you really wanna use your entire body, okay? So yes, we're using the chest, we're using the arms, but we're also squeezing the stomach, all right? And down. Just pretend you're on a farm, chopping wood. It's a good life. In Florida, we don't chop much wood here, do we?
Yeah. But I'd say control the weight too.
Control the weight, yes. How would you say so?
You don't want to, from the down position, launch it in the air. Nice and easy.
Last one. That's right. You want to control your back. We don't want to like throw out our back, so control. Yeah. Always remember when you're doing these movements, even though we're working out the chest and the arms, you really want to control the rest of the body. This prevents injury and it also engages the other muscles, okay? So next we have the horizontal press. Staying with one in the middle of our chest, we're going to press out, out, in, out. Remember to squeeze your arms when you go out. Really engage your arms, okay?
Exhale out too.
Exhale, breathe, exactly. So we go exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, right. Intention in every movement. All right, we got 3 more. 2, and 1, make it good. Done, very good. Next we have the standing chest fly, all right? We're gonna pick up that other weight, arms down, and then we're gonna go up. Ready, set, let's go. 1, 2, remember your posture, suck in that stomach, tuck in that butt. That's what I was going for.
It's another exercise you don't want to swing.
Yeah, you don't want to like swing like this. You want controlled movement. So really squeezing your arms up, intention in every movement that you do. Very good. Remember to breathe. Inhale. Exhale. All right, last one. And that's right. Okay, so now to the floor. Let's do it. We have our chest press, so we're landing on the floor. Arms at a 90-degree angle. And remember to squeeze your arms. Ready, set, up. Down. Up. Even when you're laying down, you can engage your core, all right? So you should be squeezing in your stomach and also making sure that your back is flat on the floor, all right? No arching. We want a neutral spine, all right? Halfway there. 6, 7. Remember to breathe. Almost done. Last two. And done. Very nice. That was our chest workout. So now we are going to celebrate with hydrating ourselves.
Need that.
Very important, don't forget, always do it. Cheers.
Cheers.
So don't forget to subscribe, click the link below. We have so many more recipes, workouts, everything you can imagine, okay? So check it out.